Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable font smoothing in Windows. So this is a feature that makes the font appear smoother and more readable, generally speaking, and this tutorial will apply for those running Windows 10, Windows 7, and Windows 8. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to go ahead and start by right-clicking on the taskbar. Left click on Task Manager, left click on the File tab up at the top left, and then select Run New Task. In the Open field, you want to type in System, Properties, Performance, exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, System, Properties, Performance, all one word. Check mark where it says Create this task with administrative privileges, and then left click on OK. Now it should take you directly to the Visual Effects tab. You want to go and find where it says smooth edges of screen fonts. So if you want to enable it, just check mark it in here. Otherwise, if you want to turn it off, just uncheck it. So once you've made your selection choice, go ahead and just select apply and OK. You might have to restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.